Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, with this question, I'm going to be showing you how the values for the mean squares are computed, right? So first, you would have some kind of graph or data points like this. And with this graph, you've got this blue line here that represents the best fit line. You've got a lot of data points in green, and then you've got their residual error in red. Now, the residual error is the difference between each actual data point observed and the predicted value that is derived from the linear regression. So each of these green dots is what was actually, or the data that was actually obtained versus what was expected to be obtained from the surveys or population or whatever data collecting technique was used to get this data. Now, so this question, all we're really going to be doing is finding the mean square. So let's get into that. So the mean square is calculated by adding up all of the residual errors, squaring them, dividing them by the number of data points that you have, and then taking the square root of all that. So that looks like, I'll write that down for you so it's a little less confusing. We're going to have the residual value 1 plus residual value 2 plus residual value 3, on, over n minus 1. These are squared. And then the square root of that. Okay. So the example I've got here, all you would do is you would count up the distance between the green points and the blue line. So here we've got 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. This is positive 3 because it's above the line. Here we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we've got positive 7. And if you do this right, your number is always going to be 0, right? If the best fit line is correct and your data points are correct, the number is going to come out to 0. So this line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got negative 5 since it's below the line. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's negative 5 because it's below the line. Okay. So what you're going to do here is plug these numbers into your equation. You've got R1. We'll just go in order. So we'll do 3 squared plus 7 squared plus negative 5 squared plus negative 5 squared over, since we have 4 data points, we're going to do 4 minus 1. Now, I should mention that we're going to neglect this green point right here because it's on the line, right? So you could technically plug it into the equation and do 0 squared, but that wouldn't really yield any interesting results. So we're going to do or relative results. So we're going to just use 4 data points and scrap that one right there. Okay. And then we're going to take the square root of all this here. Now, this comes out to, for the sake of solving the problem, we've got 9 plus 49 plus 25 plus 25 divided by 3. And this comes out to, real quick, this comes out to 9 plus 49 is 58, plus 50 is 108. 108 over 3, the square of that. Let me get my calculator really quick. 8 divided by 3 is 36. It's the square root of 36. This equals 6. So I hope that helped. Quickly to review,